Today we have the 2021 Honda Jazz. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just over 57,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access Bluetooth, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.